Hey, what's going on everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be talking and doing a price prediction in 2023 for ChainLink, which is currently sitting right around $6.89. Now, if we take a look at the market cap, we're at $3 billion, and we're going to be looking in some in-depth details on the chart as well. Currently ranking at the 23rd spot. We can see that it is down 86% from its all-time high of around $52, which is, pretty impressive that ChainLink already reached that in such a short amount of time. ChainLink is a crypto that has been around since 2017, but really, for up until 2021, it was on a non-stop bull market. Okay, so literally since it launched up until the peak of the bull market in 2021. This was a coin that was uptrending, and of course, like the rest of the crypto market, it fell, right? But based on its previous history of how strong it keeps its uptrend, I'm pretty confident that we will be returning to that $50 price level and above in the next bull market. Now, this is pretty interesting because, for one, we're at some levels that we haven't really seen again since almost back in 2020 and 2019. So we're not that far off from that. And, of course, from the all-time high, we are substantially lower. So the move back to the all-time high provides nice returns already. And if we head higher towards, for example, $100, then, of course, that's going to be even double those gains, right? The biggest market cap for ChainLink was around $22 billion. I think, 20, 40, 50, $60 billion is very reasonable for a crypto like ChainLink, which is actually the backbone of a DeFi, right? I'd say this is a top 3 most important protocol for DeFi and crypto, and that's why you should always pay attention to the total value locked in cryptocurrency, especially chains that are integrated with ChainLink like Ethereum, because of course, when ETH was at $100 billion in TVL, right, there's a huge amount of ChainLink transactions and API requests, so that's very good for the ChainLink ecosystem, right? And of course, that's the benefit of when there is so much TVL, when there is so much DeFi usage. In the bear markets, there's less DeFi usage, so of course the price of ChainLink is going to drop, but when the market turns back on, ChainLink should react very positively to that. So it's not necessarily going to be one of the first coins to pump, but as soon as the market starts pumping, ChainLink should see a very, very nice recovery. Now, I actually like what the price is doing right now, because we're very simply in this consolidation between $5 and 40 cents up until $10. So, I'd say a medium-sized range here, and we've really just been going up and down. Doesn't really show any signs of this stopping just yet, so I expect a little bit more consolidation here. Like we've seen on several crypto charts, we do have a slight bearish divergence, right, compared to the price, but this is still very, very minor, and, I'm not too worried about it. In a scenario where Bitcoin drops back below 15K, ETH goes below $1,000, we could see the price of ChainLink slip to $3.60. I do not see ChainLink going lower than that, though. So I already have a trouble seeing it go below $5. But if that happens, if the market really gets that weak, then I don't expect it really to go below $3.50. And like I said, keep in mind, right, from this current level, we are looking at potential price gain of back to the all-time highs over 600%, right? That's the $53. Let's say we do double that next bull market, $100, we'll be at well over 1,200% price gain. So considering that ChainLink is, one of the safer cryptos after Bitcoin and ETH, it's been around since 2017. It's tried and tested. Google has partnered with them, etc., etc. The list goes on and on and on. I think that those are a lot of positive fundamental signs for a crypto like ChainLink. On top of that, right, ChainLink is making some pretty big moves and improvements. Most notably this year, they announced ChainLink Staking, okay? So this article here is calling it a new chapter in the link economy. And of course, this will allow you to earn rewards if you stake your ChainLink. So you can see here that the estimated link token staking will produce around a 5% annual return. So what I like with this, and they say here, a 5% annual return from a combination of emissions from the treasury reserves and fees paid by those who utilize ChainLink data feeds, right? Meaning the ChainLink APIs, etc. So that is a very reasonable rate of return, in my opinion. You don't want something too high, too ridiculous, like 10-15%. That could cause the price to start falling. 5% is, you know, fairly high, but not too high that it would be completely unsustainable or anything like that. So I like the fact, I think ChainLink, you know, this had to happen, staking for the masses here for ChainLink. So I'm really glad they did that. And, you know, that's something that we didn't have last time around. So this could also give it some extra boost in the next bull market. So keep an eye out for that as well. I also wanted to see here, in the last 30 days, it moved up 23%. If we go ahead and compare that to Ethereum, you're going to see that Ethereum actually performed a little bit better than that. But what I want to make clear is if we go over to, here I'm doing link to USD. Now, if we go over to link to ETH, okay, so comparing it to the ETH price, you will see that, you know, literally since 2018 up until 2020, okay, this entire time period, we were virtually always outperforming Ethereum, okay? That's what this chart means. And of course, right, as the bear market came in, guess what I talked about with the TVL? ChainLink started out underperforming Ethereum, okay? Now, like I said, when the market is strong, there's no reason for ChainLink to not be outperforming Ethereum, right? And as you can see it outperformed Ethereum quite a bit, actually, on that peak move higher. And, you know, you can just look at the price of ChainLink, very, very stable here, even versus Ethereum. So those are things that I really like to see. ChainLink is a very special crypto in the sense that you don't find that many cryptos that perform like this, so steady, such a nice uptrend, etc. So I've already had a lot of respect for ChainLink, and it has a very strong fan base and community as well. So that always helps, you know, push prices higher as well. And like I said, right, ChainLink is a top 25 cryptocurrency. And I think that this should definitely be at the very least a top 20 cryptocurrency. So, you know, I'd say it's a medium-sized crypto, but it has the sort of safety and benefits of some of the biggest and safest coins out there, like Bitcoin and ETH. That's only my personal opinion. You can feel free to disagree, but that's the way I'm looking at it if you understand it properly. With that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this review and price prediction for ChainLink. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter for live crypto market updates. You link to that in the description of this video. And also, as always, check out my technical analysis master course if you want to learn technical analysis trading. Link in the description. 30-day money back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose by giving it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.